Background in PPA PowerPoint presentation. It's simple as a normal background creating. Just open new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and just go there, right click in the white area and format background. Now go to and you can find multiple options from clipboard and type. Now open this and view all. Now you can get ample of backgrounds like multiple backgrounds like these. These are all the background. Okay, yeah, I got a view of Victor. Take this off. Now you can find ample of backgrounds. Ample. La, like this one I select. This would be changed like that. So this how we can change the background in PowerPoint presentation as we want in any color. Any color. But there are ample of more questions, more options by putting there are gradient and fill in which you can just slide this slide like this, and if you want a pattern fill you can do that. Solid fill will be giving transparency other option also, and color you can also select hide background graphics. This is all, and you can config anything artist effect. Yeah, there are ample of effects like this one and this that though, and in this you can correct, you can saturation and temperature can be changed. So thanks.